but extended period of time, then you use one of these prepositions. So, Happy New Year.
Happy
We
New
are
Year.
meeting.
Yes,
We are meeting in the new year. So, what
yes.
new resolutions have you made for this year? Have you, or just you haven't paid a thought to it?
Yes, yes. I take some resolution like that. I want to be more punctual and I want to wake up in the early morning, sir. I only rectify my two things.
Okay. So, Shirasi, you have taken more than 260 sessions at Clapingo.
Hmm.
So, we have run out of all the topics. You don't have any topic to to talk upon. So, what do we do?
Mm.
You suggest? Do
So,
you need
mm,
to work upon grammar
yes,
or
yes,
vocabulary?
grammar.
Grammar. Okay. If someone feels that he has never committed a mistake in life, it only means he has never tried anything new in his life.
Yes, right. I believe this.
These words are said by Albert Einstein. Do
Mm.
you agree? Do you agree with it?
Yes, the person who didn't try anything, who didn't work anything,
Yes.
he didn't know, he didn't make any mistake. So if
Yeah.
you work, there would be a chance of mistake. Otherwise, it's not possible to be a, even if I want to be success, failure is compulsory.
Yeah. In the
Fail,
beginning, when you
yes.
start something new, you are bound to commit some mistake.
Hmm.
We learn to walk by falling down again and again.
Hmm.
Okay, nobody's got up and started walking one
Yes.
day without falling.
Yes.
So there are many elements in grammar. You have the noun, the verbs, then you have the pronouns, you have adverbs, adjectives,
Hmm.
articles, prepositions, conjunctions. Okay, now the problem, nouns and pronouns are not a big problem.
Hmm.
We learn that quite easily. What are common noun, what are proper noun, what are abstract nouns,
Yes. Hmm.
and what are collective nouns.
Hmm.
What are, okay, मुंह तो कह दिया, tell me what are abstract nouns.
Okay. Abstract noun, that is such a noun we can't touch these, like beauty, joy,
Yes, these are like,
abstract
these
things.
don't have a figure or a form. They
Hmm.
are just thoughts.
Hmm.
Okay, thought is itself is an abstract noun.
Yes.
Darkness, sunlight. Okay, these are atmosphere. These are abstract noun. And what are collective nouns?
Collective noun is a group of something like mm, teachers, students, like
A group, a group of people.
group of people.
Yeah, like committee, team.
Hmm.
Okay, a government. These are all collective nouns. Audience.
Hmm.
Then you have adverbs. Adverbs are simply come before a verb or verbs turn into adverbs.
Hmm.
Then you have adjectives. Adjectives modify or classify the nouns.
Hmm.
Like I say, you are a beautiful girl. So beautiful is an adjective of the noun verb. He is a tall man. So tall is an adjective of the noun man.
Hmm.
Okay. Then you have, excuse me. Then you have articles.
Hmm.
Articles are a, and the.
Hmm.
Okay. A and an have to be used for singular noun or pronoun.
Hmm.
Okay. Singular noun. If they are, if the noun is plural, then you give the number, the quantity, like two
Hmm.
men or 15 women. Or if you don't know the exact number, then you use words like some, or few, or more, or many. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Before the noun.
Yes.
Okay. And the can be used both for singular as well as plural nouns.
Hmm.
Okay. And in a sentence, no matter how many nouns are there, before each of them, you have to use an article. Either
Hmm.
use a, an, or the, or you give the number, the
Yes.
quantity. Okay. You
Hmm.
must, you cannot start a sentence by saying man is going across the road. A man is going across the road, or the man is going across the road. You use a. If you don't know, if you are not aware of the identity of a person, then
Hmm.
you use a. A man was walking across the road. But if you know the identity and you are talking about a particular man, then you
Hmm.
use the man. The
Hmm. Hmm.
the man was crossing the road. Okay.
Yes.
When you are aware of what that person, who that person is, and
Hmm.
you are using the man in context with someone who has already been referred to in your conversation, or you have written about him, that
Okay.
man or the man. Okay. Then these are the uh, um, articles.
Article.
Yes. Then you have the prepositions. Okay. There
Hmm.
are many words which tell the preposition, which are known as prepositions. These are like on, in, over, under, below, underneath, about, that, from, for, until. Okay. There are so many of
Yes.
them. Now, using the correct one or the proper preposition is needs practice. It
So
is seen.
when I use the preposition form and since,
You are at.
since when you use since.
Yeah, yes. So we have to be very careful in choosing, and
Hmm.
we can work upon this by reading material written by good authors, good writers.
Hmm.
There you can see how he or she has used these prepositions in joining together the sentence. These are the little creatures which bind together the entire sentence. They link the noun or the pronoun with the verb and tell you who, what, where, when.
Hmm.
Okay. Now I can tell you how to use the most common prepositions. Okay.
Hmm.
These prepositions are used in almost every sentence that we speak. Okay. Now, if you have to speak about a particular time, about a particular time, like if you have to say, I have to join Clapingo at 10:30 a.m. Okay.
Hmm.
So here the preposition was at.
Yes, at.
Okay. So when you refer to one point of time, use one of these prepositions: in, at, and on.
Hmm.
Use in for months, years, and season, like in December, in October, in 1940, in summer, or in
Hmm.
winter. In.
Okay.
Okay. Use at for time, for a specific time of the day, like
Hmm.
5 p.m., at 9 a.m.,
Hmm.
at midnight,
Okay.
at noontime, at particular period of time, particular
Hmm.
time of the day.
Hmm.
Use on with days, like on Monday, on Tuesday, or Sunday, or Friday. Okay, on. Now, sometimes you have to refer to an extended period of time. Okay, not one specific time, but extended period of time. Then you use one of these prepositions: since, for, during, by, from, from to, from, until, with, and within.
Okay.
Okay, for example, I have lived in Lucknow since years. Since is the preposition here, extended period of time is years.
Okay.
Okay, you have lived in Calcutta since years. So since has been used as the right preposition for this. Another example, I I will be in Delhi for 3 weeks.
Hmm.
Okay, for is the here two prepositions have been used: in
Okay.
place Delhi, and time extended for extended period of time for 2 weeks. He works during the summer holiday. During is the preposition. Summer holiday is the extended period of time.
Hmm.
She will graduate within 2 years.
Okay.
Within
Okay.
is the preposition. 2 years is the extended period of time.
Okay.
Now, I'm telling you the prepositions that have to be used when you refer to a place. You use here also in, at, on, and inside. In, on, at, and inside. They will meet in the canteen.
Hmm.
In is the preposition, the canteen. Okay.
Hmm.
So here, in is the preposition, place is the canteen. So here also you can see, you can observe, canteen is the noun. So before canteen, I have used
In. In.
the article the.
In the canteen.
Yeah, in the canteen.
In the canteen.
He was waiting for us at the corner.
Hmm.
At
Hmm.
is the preposition, the corner. Okay, corner again is a noun, and the has been used here as the article. My novel was kept on the bed. On
Hmm.
place is the bed. Please keep the files inside the drawer. inside is the
Hmm.
preposition, place is the drawer.
Hmm.
Okay, and again you can see I have used the before the drawer.
Yes, yes. Article.
Yeah. Okay, Shriyasi will continue next session
Hmm.
because this is over. Okay, this will go off. The
Okay.
more proposition I'll tell you.
Okay.